This question broke the internet. Can you solve it? Which Nobel Prize-winning discovery in chemistry has been hailed as a major breakthrough for greener chemical manufacturing? Organocatalysis, metal-organic frameworks, directed evolution of enzymes. You've got 10 seconds. Well, do you know it yet? Organocatalysis, awarded the 2021 Nobel Prize in Chemistry to Benjamin List and David MacMillan, uses small organic molecules as catalysts. This method is more environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and efficient than traditional metal catalysts, revolutionizing pharmaceutical research and drug production.